Hi guys, so today I wanted to discuss with you why some well-established businesses offline are not finding that much success online. And in my opinion, one of the main reasons is tech or technology, either fear of tech or not doing it right. So let me give you an example. Today I was checking out one of the lawyers that I'm thinking to use. Nothing bad, it's just, during this time of pandemic, you need to have a will. So you have to go and make sure you have a will, especially if you're at my age, and just in case. But anyway, the first thing that I do, of course, I get the email from the lawyer, and the lawyer has been actually referred to me by a friend. And I go to the domain name where the email comes from, and I check because I wanted a little bit more info, find out what they do, specifically, and a little bit of, the about us thing. I just wanted to do a little bit of research. And I found nothing. There was no website, right? They only had like a Facebook page, but there was no website, which was a little bit strange. They've been in the business for some time now. And not only that, but they didn't even have like a coming soon or a temporary page or absolutely nothing. Like their domain name actually goes to a page full of ads. And it made me like a little bit fearful that even that page could be a source of malware. But this got me thinking. I haven't spoken to them, so I don't know what the real reason in this specific case. They don't have a website, but 9 times out of 10 is people are too busy. They don't have the time to figure tech out and learn how to build their own, and probably they might have tried to use some agency and they got like an over-the-top quotation that made them think like, no, this is very expensive, so we're not going to do it with an agency, and we want to do it ourselves, but we don't have the time to do it, so it wasn't done. And this is funny because what I actually like doing is to help people with tech, is to help business owner with anything related to technology. So I don't know like if I should be their client first or they should be my client first, but in any case, I just wanted to let you guys know that technology isn't something that you want to spend most of your time learning as a business owner unless your business is in tech. So unless you're, someone who fixes computers or someone who builds websites or someone who does like e-commerce stores or whatever it is, or someone who has a software company, software as a service company, or a membership of some sort in something related to tech, it's not your role as the business owner to be the IT manager for your business, right? You need someone to do these things for you. You need someone who can take these pain points away from you so that you can focus on your customers, focus on growing your business instead of actually wasting countless hours learning tech. Let me give you another example. Let's say you want to do a webinar because webinars are quite hot now. So the first thing that you need to look at is to build your landing page. And then this landing page would have a form that will collect an email address and a name for people who want to attend your webinar. And so when they enter their email address and the name, this has to go somewhere, which means it has to go to one of your list building software like MailChimp or ConvertKit or something similar to that. So you need to have a form on the page, and this form has to communicate, take this input, throw it into the specific list that you have on your mailing list software, right? So there's another step. After this, there's a thank you page that says, hey, thank you for registering. Here are the details of your upcoming webinars. And then you have to have the details there and the time and, the link if it's a Zoom or whatever, or a GoToWebinar or something like that. And maybe if you're a little bit more courteous, you will have like a place to click where people can add this into their calendar so that they can get reminders and stuff just before the actual webinar. And that seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 4, 3 to 5 steps over here. But if you're not a techie, these can take you weeks, because like for every step, you're going to find something and you have to go and learn it. And for a business owner, you don't have the time for that. You want somebody who can just make it work. Like, I don't know what you do, just make it work. And as most of my clients tell me the same thing, like, you know what, don't give me the details, just make things work. We want it to work, that's it, right? And that's what I would like to do. So, you know, one of the issues that is a big problem that's preventing business owners from being more successful online is tech. If that's you, give me a call. That's it. You know, I'll do it for you. No problem. And I'm not an agency, so it's not going to be an exuberant amount of money. Try it, and I'm ready to help you.
Hang on, don't go away yet. Now that you've completed this video, I'm going to have to ask you to click on the like if you have enjoyed it, because everybody likes to be liked, you know? You can also subscribe. That way, you're going to get all of the cool YouTube stuff made by this guy right here. And finally, why not let all your friends know how great you thought this video was? You can share it with them or even use it in your blog. Thank you. Thank you very much. We see you soon.